Hi, and welcome back to Always Dolls. Today, we'll be unboxing our generation's Patio Treats trolley set. In this set, it comes with 1 serving trolley, 2 clusters of ice cubes, 1 pair of tongs, 1 fruit platter, 1 pitcher, 2 glasses of lemonade, 2 ice pops, 2 round popsicles, 2 ice cream in cups, and 2 spoons. Here are the tongs. They're a silver colour. These are the ice cubes. They're a translucent blue. And here's a little box that contains the ice cubes. These are the ice pops. They're a purple colour and they have a little speckling of pink. The 2 spoons, they're pretty simple. They are silver and they have a little detail at the end. Here is one of the ice creams in a cup. It's a strawberry flavour with strawberry drizzle on top. And here is the chocolate version, and they come in these really nice cups. Here is the fruit platter. It's on a white oval plate and it comes with watermelon, pineapple, kiwi fruit, rockmelon and strawberries. Here is what I presume the round popsicles, but they're basically 2 pink snow cones. Glasses of lemonade have ice cubes and a little lemon on top, and the pitcher also has a lemon on top. Let's assemble our trolley and roll out the refreshments. We got this set from Kmart for $20. From looking at the website, we've discovered that we have some missing items. There's meant to be 2 bottles of soda and a flower pot in this set as well. Despite these missing items, we think this is still such a fun set to play with. This set is perfect for summer. Thank you for joining us in today's video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun.